This is the new Echo Show 5. This is part 1 of a series diving into this new Echo Show. In this first video, let's open it up, set it up, and talk about it. Hello tech friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Craig. I love making tech videos, and this is part of my weekly Echo series. This is week 26 of 2019. You can find the rest of the series in the description along with links to anything I talk about. Over the next 3 or 4 days, I'm going to be releasing videos on the new Echo Show 5. I'll be doing some sound comparisons to the other Echoes, screen comparisons, and go over the new features this device brings. If you're not familiar with the Echo Show 5, this is the new budget-friendly Echo Show with the 5.5-inch display. You can find links to learn more about it in the description. It is significantly cheaper than the second generation 10-inch Echo Show. There's also a link for that in the description. This Echo offers the usual features you've come to expect from Echoes. So let's open it up, take a look at it. I will say before I do open it, I realized this was going to be a small screen Echo, but look how small this box is. So here we go. First off, we have the Echo Show. Let's set that aside for now. Paperwork. We don't need that. The things to try. This is the first time you've ever had an Echo. You can get a breakdown of how to use it. And then last in the box, you have the power supply for it. Unboxing, done. Let's look at the Echo itself. We have to unwrap it. And for those who love that peeling sound, peeling done. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so small. Okay. Quick overview, right off the bat, it does look a lot like the 10-inch Echo Show in its design. Front of it, mainly all screen. This size is definitely much better suited for a bedside clock. On the back, you have the power plug in there. You have a 3.5 millimeter output, and then you have a micro USB. With the second generation Echo Show, that was so you could put an Ethernet adapter in case you wanted to hardwire this instead of using Wi-Fi. On the top, you have the mechanical shutter button. It shows you in orange if it's closed. This is a big step for privacy. This is definitely meant to help you feel better about this being next to your bed if you're using it as an alarm clock. So you can keep that shut until you're ready to use it for a video call. I do like that feature. I think it's a great addition, make you feel a little better. You also have a microphone camera on-off button on top there. This will electronically kill the camera and the microphone so that it's not listening, and if you do leave the shutter open, it will not take any video. You have your volume up, volume down, your microphone's right there. It's a cute little Echo, so small and tiny. I went with the sandstone just to change it up a little. I also thought it would go with my Google Home Hub, so when the two are sitting next to each other on my desk. This screen is 5.5 inches. It's not an HD display. It is only 960 by 480 resolution. For comparison, DVD resolution is 720 by 480. But added size, we'll have to see how it looks. We'll check it out in a future video. For a size comparison, here it is next to an iPhone 10, which is 5.6 inches, I believe. You see, it's about the same size as a cell phone. Also, here it is next to the Google Home Hub. So if you do own one of those, you can get an idea of the size of this. Last, we'll put it next to the 10-inch Echo Show to give you an idea if you own one of these. Next, let's get this set up. Nice thing about it is you are able to set it up without having to use the app. So first, we'll get it powered up. Big things are happening. Okay, we'll pick our language.
Hello. Ready for setup.
I selected my network. You enter the password right on the screen. It's connecting up now. Log into your Amazon account. We're registering. Nice. New Echo Show is registered to me. I got a notification in the app. Confirm my time zone. This will be in the office. Craig's Echo Show. We'll hit continue. And right off the bat, an update.
Updating this device.
This could take 10 minutes, so we're gonna have to move past this. 10-minute update is done. We can watch a brief video showing the highlights of this.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running.
Little introductory video there.
This device is ready.
It's ready. That took a while. We're all set up. What I'm noticing is you see the clock face and then it starts to act like a regular Echo. I'm gonna have to dive deeper into that and see how to set all that up, if there's a way to get it just to show the clock until you ask for something. Next, let's do an overview of the features, starting with the basics. You can get a deeper dive into these features with my other Echo videos. At the end, I'll go over some improvements and better utilization of the screen. There are improvements we have not seen in the other Echoes. A deeper dive of those features will come later in the series. First, this will act like a larger Echo Show and other Echo devices. You can do all the things you would normally do with an Echo. You have your skills, you can make your request, set timers, ask questions, all of the usual stuff. For content, you get all the same music services such as Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, Apple Music, and others. For video, you can watch Prime Video, NBC, Hulu, YouTube clips with the web browser, and short news clips from supported news outlets. For smart home, you have all the same control over your smart devices. You will have two-way communication with the Ring doorbell and Ring cameras. You'll also be able to call up other supported cameras. You do have to remember this does not have a built-in hub like the Echo Show 2nd generation, so if you do use the hub built into one of those, or you're looking for a hub, this isn't going to have it. You have all the same communication options, such as phone calls, sending messages, video calls to other Echo shows, video calls to the app, and Skype video calls. So what's new on this device other than the privacy shutter and the size? The Echo Show 5 brings some new much needed screen features. This is just a brief overview of these features, and I'll get more into this into one of the other videos in the series. First, it does a much better job of acting like a clock. One of the things that the existing Echo shows did not do well in my opinion. The clock was always too small and in the corner like we're seeing, but at least this will show a full screen clock, and hopefully after diving in deeper, you'll be able to just keep it as a full screen clock if you want to. Also, with the clock, you're able to pick from different clock faces, backgrounds, and you have a lot more customization options. You could pick the type of numbers you want. You could put personal pictures on there. You get a lot more choices. Next, you get a new control panel, and this is something that I think was much needed on the other Echoes. You can swipe over, you can control your communication, smart devices, music, video, routines, and alarms right there from the screen. You still have the option to swipe down to go to your settings, adjust screen brightness, but I like that idea of the control panel. I'm really hoping that we'll see this come to the existing Echo shows. The screen has been one of the biggest disappointment with Echo shows. It has been way underutilized in my opinion, especially compared to the Google Home Hub. I'm really excited to dive deeper into this and see what else the screen may offer up. I think it's a cute little Echo show. I'm gonna have to really play around with it. I know you can use it in the kitchen for recipes and getting step-by-step instructions. It's supposed to make a good alarm clock with the option to fade up and gently wake you up. I'm gonna need to do some comparisons. Stay tuned for the next video in the series starting tomorrow. I will go through and compare the sound out of this to the Echo Dot 3rd generation. This does have a 1.65-inch speaker in it, so I'm really hoping we'll get similar sound out of this to the Echo Dot 3rd generation. And we'll see how it stacks up to the other Echo devices. Follow up later with some screen comparisons, see how that resolution is, what it's like to watch some video on it, how the brightness is. and we'll just dive deeper into this and play with those features too. Now let's talk availability. The Echo Show 5 is available now in the US, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. It will be coming to India in July. Amazon says it'll be coming soon to Mexico, but does not have a release date yet. What are your thoughts on the Echo Show 5? Did you already order yours? Do you plan on ordering one? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. To see more videos, subscribe and hit that bell to get notified of the next one. You can help support the channel and see additional content with that Patreon link over there. You can check out the rest of this year's series over here. Also, you can find Amazon affiliate links in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.